Today, I'm going to talk about the current research and trends in ethics and social responsibility in business. My name is Christy Johnson. Currently, I work in a global private equity company in project management. Let's begin by defining business ethics and social responsibility. Given the two definitions above, a question comes to mind. With these constraints, how can global businesses act responsibly while maximizing shareholder value? Sometimes it isn't so easy. We must guide employees and businesses in order to benefit both society and the business's bottom line. What current trends help make this a reality? Let's talk about that next. The first recent trend is environmental issues, such as the use of pesticides and the sanitation of water. A second trend is creating international labor standards like that of Social Security or human rights. A third trend is socially responsible investing, which seeks to achieve both a financial return and a social or environmental good. A fourth trend is implementing a socially responsible leadership, which focuses mainly on the relationship between leadership and its corporate social behavior. And the last trend is raising awareness of the ethical management of social media and digital marketing. I'd like to dig in more between the intersection of ethics and social media next. Social media and marketing's exposure have impacted existing digital ethics and social responsibility policies in three major ways. The first impact is guidelines for digital images. With the rise of camera-enabled cell phones and social media platforms that focus on images, like that of Instagram or Snapchat, researchers and institutional ethics boards increasingly seek guidelines for digital images shared on social media. A second impact is that of digital privacy. A recent court case highlighted digital privacy in that of the FBI versus Apple, where the court issued an order requiring Apple to create and install a custom hacking tool, which Apple opposed. Both governments and private organizations need to act responsibly, even in times of war or terrorist activities. Lastly, digital ethics and social responsibility policies affect not only our government, but others as well. A recent study showed that Chinese managers who had a stronger socialist ideology were more likely to develop a mindset favoring CSR in socialist countries than in capitalist societies. These impacts not only affect countries and individual companies like Apple across the globe, but industries as well. But how? Given my area of project management, business ethics and social responsibility could be incorporated by organizing, implementing, aligning, and monitoring socially responsible activity that supports the development and sustainability of CSR. I recommend that future research examine the political, business, and institutional factors that could further develop business ethics and social responsibility when managed through projects. Now that we've talked about trends, impacts, and applications, let's wrap up by creating a punch list for executives. 1. Make ethics and CSR a leadership priority. 2. Focus on achieving success the right way. 3. Nurture a speak up culture. And 4. Be transparent. In sum, workplaces should be led by mutual respect. Companies need to and can act responsibly while maximizing shareholder value for the sake of their employees and customers. And with that, I'll take your questions.